I am honored to introduce to you today the key innovations of Phonak Audéo Paradise, delivering on those core needs of the consumer. With Audéo Paradise, we made a huge step forward in sound quality and added new hardware, new processing, and new features. And this enables unrivaled sound quality. In order to empower our customers and consumers, we expanded our offering in the digital space. This enables the customers and the consumers to tailor their journey with our personalized digital solutions. And last but not least, Paradise offers universal connectivity with more Bluetooth connections and easy tap control. And of course, we are still truly made for all. Unrivaled sound quality, still the core of the hearing aids. We wanted to especially address the three key consumer needs that they want to hear better in quiet, communicate easier in challenging and noisy environments, and their demand for most natural sound quality. With Phonak Audéo Paradise, we have made a huge step forward by offering new hearing performance features, a change in the processing, and even added new hardware to enable these changes. With Phonak Paradise, we are setting a new industry standard for audiological excellence and sound quality. With Paradise, we are delivering crisp, natural sound, brilliant speech understanding, and personalized noise cancelling to really address the consumer core needs for a better sound quality. Let me go into more details on how we manage that. We identified three key situations for the consumer which we wanted to improve and developed the corresponding features for it. The first is having a conversation in a quiet environment. The feature we developed for this specific situation is called Speech Enhancer. It is meant for those quiet moments when your partner is whispering loving words or you're having an important conversation with a friend in the quiet of your living room. Isn't it so important to also understand exactly what's being said in those situations? Well, Speech Enhancer is an adaptive feature that is designed to enhance the peaks of speech in quiet. Second, the consumers requested a better solution when they are trying to have a conversation in a loud environment, such as a restaurant, a bar, or maybe the playground. It can be really difficult to understand what is being said when there's background noise. And that's where the feature Dynamic Noise Cancellation comes in, which works with a directional beamformer and helps the consumers in those tough situations. We have up to 4 dB improvement in signal-to-noise ratio in challenging environments. The third new feature is the motion sensor hearing, which leverages the data we get from the new motion sensor, which is built into the hearing aids. Imagine the situation when the consumer is trying to have a conversation with a friend whilst taking a leisurely stroll through the park. He wouldn't need a beamformer to the front because the friend is hardly walking backwards in front of him, but next to him. With the new motion sensor hearing, we can detect whether the consumer is walking and then seamlessly steer the microphone mode and the dynamic noise cancelling to setting to accommodate to the situation walking and talking. This leads to a better speech understanding and a better overall listening experience for the consumer. We've looked at the benefits of the new hearing features. Now let's have a look at how we also adapted the processing to meet the consumer's needs. With Phonak Paradise, we took our AutoSense OS to the next level. The AutoSense OS 4.0 is developed with artificial intelligence and is a perfect orchestration of features to create the best personalized setting. AutoSense OS 4.0 perfectly blends our existing performance features with our new features to support a variety of consumers' communication needs and lifestyle. For the first time, we adapted our proprietary fitting formula and are proud to present to you APD 2.0, our new Phonak Adaptive Digital. This new processing algorithm and pre-calculation is designed to establish an ideal first fit, which we all know is so important. A good first fit acceptance is crucial for the adoption of the potential client, isn't it? The APD 2.0 is also designed to provide naturalness of sound, which as we know, is one of the core needs of the consumers. And last but not least, let's take a closer look at the hardware changes. With Audéo Paradise, we introduce a new processing chip called Prism, Processing Real-Time Intelligent Sound Management, which delivers double the memory to enable the new sound quality features, as well as more connectivity options. And for the first time, we also integrated a motion sensor inside the hearing aid. This ultra-low-power triaxial accelerometer enables the tap control as well as the new feature, motion sensor hearing. In conclusion, we truly deliver unrivaled sound quality. We have new features to support everyday listening challenges such as soft speech, balanced speech intelligibility with comfort in noisy situations, and hearing awareness while walking. Our new processing leads to an ideal first fit and is designed to provide naturalness of sound. And our hardware delivers double the memory, more connectivity options, and motion-activated features. Our consumers have also expressed core needs along the lines of ease of use. They want their hearing aids to be adapted to their changing hearing needs, whether that is done by themselves or at a hearing care professional. And they also want devices which are easy to handle and to adjust. The Audéo Paradise devices empower the consumers to tailor their experience along the consumer journey. Thanks to our digital solution touchpoints, this can now either happen at the hearing care professional's office or remotely. And in addition, the consumer can adjust additional personalized settings within the myPhonak 4.0 app. With our personalized digital solutions, we are delivering empowering smart apps and solutions for the hearing care professional, as well as the consumer, so they can really tailor their experience and the consumer journey. Our third pillar is the universal connectivity. To deliver on the last core need, the consumer needs a device which is easy to handle and to adjust. With Phonak Paradise, we will have more connections, easier access to Bluetooth functionalities, and of course, we are still made for all. We want our consumers to have a device which is easy to use and fits their lifestyle, especially when increasingly more and more people will have multiple devices at home they want to connect to. And they're also using voice assist more, and they want everything on tap. With our universal connectivity, our Phonak Audéo Paradise can be connected to smartphone, TV, and more, as we are still made for all. Now, multiple Bluetooth connections are possible, and Bluetooth functionalities can be accessed easily via tap control. Now, imagine a situation where a consumer, let's call her Claudia, is watching her favorite Netflix show on her tablet, but all of a sudden her daughter calls. Having the tablet and the phone connected to the hearing aids at the same time, she can now seamlessly switch between watching her show and picking up the phone.
Hey Simone, so good to hear you. I was just watching my favorite Netflix show on the iPad. Yeah, the one you got me for my birthday. And I can stream the sound directly to my new Phonak Paradise hearing aid. And the sound is just wonderful.
Did you see how easy that was? She just switched from one device to the other without having to connect. Paradise allows 2 active Bluetooth connections at the same time and 8 possible pairings to different devices. So Claudia can pair her mobile phone, her work phone, her tablet, her daughter's tablet, the car, her husband's car. So that was only 6. So she would still have 2 more possible pairings. Maybe you have also noticed the gesture Claudia performed when she picked up the phone. The double tapping on the pinna? That's right. Due to the motion sensor which is built into the hearing aid, the consumers can now accept and reject calls via double tapping instead of scrambling for their phones to pick up a phone call. And they can also easily pause and resume streaming, or even tell Alexa or Siri to order more milk for the fridge. Super easy, right?